Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the CBC Gem application to your Android TV, your TV box, or Google TV. This method will be using the download application. To get the application, check the link in the description and you'll see exactly how to download this download application into your Android TV or any TV using an Android operating system. With any of these Android operating system devices, this method is going to work. When you have the application installed, click on it to enter and go to Home. Under Home, you'll find this tab where you can put in a code. We'll be using the code method, and the code for CBC Gem is 4942 and then 161. This is extremely important. Verify the code, or else this download is not going to work. Click on the Go button after putting in the correct code and you'll be redirected to this site. Wait for 5 seconds and your download is going to begin very shortly. Great, you have been directed to the MediaFire website and you can see the download application right here. It is 27.86 megabytes. Hit on the download icon at the bottom right and your download is going to begin shortly. On the status dialog box, you see this dialog and progress bar. Wait for this progress bar to complete. If you're wondering what particular TV box I'm using the Slim TV box, and you can check it out with the link in the description. So it is progressing and it's almost done. Give this a few seconds and be patient. This download will take a few minutes or very few seconds depending on your internet speed. So make sure you have a good connection and your download will be done in a few seconds. Now the download is complete, you have to hit on the install button and this application will be installed onto your Android TV or any TV you're using, and you will see a notification pop up. So this is a Google Play Protect notification. It's saying a harmful app has been blocked. You click on the more details icon down and you see install anyway. Click on this and it's going to install the application into Android TV. It is done, so click the done button and you can be prompted to delete the download package file. This package file, deleting it is going to allow for more space on your Android TV. So click on the delete button and it is going to be deleted. Now you can go back home and go back into Android TV and enjoy your new CBC Gem application.